I'd like to introduce you to what a sales page could look like for you. There are lots of different software programs that you can use. As I mentioned in an earlier video, a lot of the email service provider software programs will allow you to build a sales page or a landing page and connect it to an email list. This program that I'm using is called Thrivecart. It's a program that I'm totally in love with, and full disclosure, I am an affiliate for Thrivecart. So if you purchase using my link, I will earn a commission. That money is used to build this channel. So I'm really grateful for the support that I receive from the audience. That aside now, let's get into the fun stuff. So Thrivecart allows me to build unlimited landing pages and sales pages. What's the difference between a landing page and a sales page? Well, there's two specific differences. A landing page typically is designed to collect an email address from someone, so you might give them something away for free. A sales page is typically designed to sell something. However, technically, they're both exactly the same. It's really the purpose and the intention of the page that makes the difference. This is a landing page slash sales page for a free course that I built for Thrivecart. And as you can see, it's really, really simple. Often these days, when you go onto sales pages, you'll find they're really long and you're just scrolling through so much content to get to the end to make the purchase. And there's two trains of thought. The old school way of making a sales page would be all about having lots and lots of content to address all the buyer objections, to answer all their questions, to inform and educate on what the product is, how much it costs, to create that sense of urgency, to make a purchase. All these things come into it. There's a whole buyer psychology. Whereas a landing page normally is very short and very sweet, and it gives the reader, the person who looks at the landing page, a specific answer about what it is they're going to get from that page. So, say for example, you'll land on a page and it'll say, sign up to get this free ebook. And then you put your email address and then you'll receive the ebook in your inbox. That's a typical landing page. Now, what I'm going to show you here, I want to give you an example of what I've made as a sales page with a little bit of the hybrid taste of a landing page. It's very short, it's very to the point. If you were selling a product that's very, let's call high end, $1,000 upwards, then you would most likely need to have a very long detailed sales page with different videos and content in order to make your customer feel comfortable making the purchase from you. And if your product is very low cost, say under $100, it's not necessary to go into all that detail. People just want to know, are you going to solve their problem? Is there something in it for me? Is there a good benefit to purchasing it? So let's walk through this and I'll break it down and show you what I'm talking about. Now, this is a free product. Someone who has landed on this page has arrived here from one of my YouTube videos where I talk about Thrivecart School. This is a product, it's actually a free course that I teach people how to use Thrivecart, how to make money online, how to use the different features of Thrivecart to get the most out of it. I don't sell anything in the course, I don't ask for anything. When people sign up, they can buy me a coffee if they feel they would like to do that. I would be so grateful, or they could buy one of my other little courses called ChatGPT prompts. And then, they can go through that, but it's not essential. This is purely for the purpose of helping my audience achieve what they want to achieve. And from this, we'll develop a strong relationship and we'll go from there. So let's take a walk through and I'll just, dissect this a little bit. This is called the hero image. At the top of any landing page or a sales page, this is the most important piece of real estate on your web page. This is the piece that tells them exactly what they're going to get and what it's about. It's usually a very short message with a bold headline, some subtext, and a button. So this is learn how to create passive income today. Get the most out of your Thrivecart account and discover the easiest way to create, publish, and sell digital products and courses, etc. with Trisha. So this course is 100% free. This is what you'll get. So the person just enters their name in here. This is the outline of what's included. Here's an image I've put together. Choose a pricing option. It's free or pay your own price, $7. This is an option here where they can choose to buy me a coffee, complete the order, and that's it. Then we come down here and I talk about 7 ideas in one system, multiple income streams. So this is all part of the sales page, right? Someone comes here and all they really want to do is get that school. Now, if they wanted to read a bit more, I teach them about these different ideas that people are doing. And that's really just to prompt them about using their Thrivecart account. Really simple. Now, if you went over to a different page, and you are having a look at another sales page, you might find it's very long. It's got many, many sections in it. And that's because they're probably selling something to you at a higher price and they probably are trying to explain all the benefits to make it clear what you're getting. So, a sales page or a landing page are very important when you become a content creator and you're selling digital products. You will learn about these in different courses, people will talk about them. The most important thing is to think about what would someone need to know in order to make a decision to purchase what you're offering. And then take it from there and make sure you include the right information. And just remember, any page that you build, it's about your customer, not about you. So build something that resonates with them personally and avoid the part where you only talk about yourself. Thank you.